All right, everyone. Here's a Tommaso here. Just wanted to send out this, I guess this part 3 to Visual CAD because there were a couple things on this morning's webinar I was not able to address, and there were some questions I was not able to answer. So I'll go ahead and get us started here. As you can see here, roof D is not your typical square or rectangular roof section. So you'll see it's got a couple kickouts here. This is actually an overhang, and it kicks back over to a courtyard here. So I went ahead and already plotted this out because I took all the measurements. But as you can see here in the lower left-hand corner, I did kind of overshoot my corner in a couple areas here. So what I want to do, if this were the case, is I want to use the trim tool, okay? So to use that, again, I make sure my selection or my arrow tool is selected. I make sure I go over to the drawing area, and then I would type in TR, okay? And as you can see, my arrow turned into a target or crosshair there. So after I do that, I tell it which areas I'd like to keep, okay? So I'd like to keep this area here and this other area here. And when I click that, you can see that area disappeared, okay? I'm going to go through that one more time, okay? And if you ever click the wrong line, just remember Control-Z is an undo, and that saved me a lot of times in the past. So again, click over in the area of the drawing. I select TR. My icon changes. I'll go ahead and I tell it I want this line, and the other line disappeared. Now I'm going to go ahead and move forward and tell it I want this line, and the other overshot or area I overshot disappeared as well, okay? So again, let's do that one more time because I know I went through that quickly. So I'm going to do TR. I want this line. I'm left clicking, and I want this line, boom, and the other one disappears, and I want this line and this line, okay? And there you have it. The area is now trimmed, or the lines are now trimmed, and now you have a good tight corner there, okay? The other function I'd like to share with you, or the functionality of the Visual CAD software, is measuring the area of this section, okay? And if you're following along, I did send out a updated exercise sheet there, so just you can go ahead and follow along with me there, okay? So what I want to do is I want to measure the area of this roof D here, okay? So how I would do that is I'd go over to the area, type in MA for measure area, and then select each of the corners. Okay, so I have MA selected or pressed already, and now I want to go NP for that first corner, go over to the second corner to the right there, select NP. Again, every area or corner I'm moving towards or scrolling towards and typing in NP for nearest point. Okay, and then you'll see once the entire area is selected, it will turn red. And once that area is selected, you'll see the area is 1,795 square feet, okay? So unfortunately, Visual CAD does not have the functionality or ability to measure multiple at the same time. So you'll have to go through each one of these if you have some different looking roof sections there. So, okay, I'll go through this one more time because I know I went through that quickly. So I want to measure the area of roof D. I go over in its general area and select MA. I go to the first corner and select NP. And I do the same for every other corner. when the entire roof area is red, I know everything has been selected and it's giving me the area there. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing there. Okay. So once the entire area is selected, turns red, and I can go over to the area and note that it's 1,795 square feet. Okay. So those were the couple items on part 2 I was not able to cover clearly. I do apologize for that. Thank you for your patience. I am a AutoCAD user, so a few of these items are new to me as well. So go through those last 2 items. And again, if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or just send me an email. Okay. All right. Thanks, everyone. I hope you found that helpful.